Good morning and welcome to week 5. Can you believe it? 5 weeks already. That's crazy. Okay, so I just wanted to say good morning and I hope you guys have a great week. At Okmulgee Library on Wednesday, we will be hosting the fire department. They will be coming to show us their fire trucks and to give us some fire safety training, and that should be very fun. So if you could be there promptly at 9, that'd be great. I wanted to go through a couple of things that I've added to the newsletter this week. For week 5, of course, you have the pacing guide, the calendar, and the field trip schedule. Your study island here. All of this is the same. And at the bottom, I've added this weekly schedule for 3rd through 8th grade. So you will click on these to access. If you click here, it takes you straight to the schedule so that you can see what you're supposed to be doing every week. And then, so that you don't have to go back to Symboloo if you don't want to, I have put Spelling City here, Dreambox here, IXL here, Read Theory, and Myon and AR. So as we discussed earlier in the year, you're supposed to be reading 30 minutes a day. So in your reading, I told you that I wanted you to do one story in Read Theory. So you read the passage and you answer 5 questions, and then you're done. Well, after that, I said you can read whatever you want. Well, if you will go to Myon Reading, it looks like this, and you'll log in, and this is Ashley's account, and I can choose whatever book I would like to read. So you can choose by whatever genre you like, whatever topic you like. I'm just going to click on one to show you. So say I wanted to read here about this. It tells me exactly what grade level it is. It's a 1st through 3rd grade book. It has lots of pictures. Then you can click read the book. And down here, you can have it read to you, or you can read it yourself. You can make it bigger by clicking this button. And then this is how you'll turn the pages. After you've read the book, let's get to the end. You can take an AR test. So you can get AR points. Don't click save your review. I like to click here because if you click save your review, it gives you a quiz like this. That's not the AR book test. So this book does not have an AR test with it. When it does have an AR test, it'll be right here. You'll click that button that says take an AR test. I'm going to have a competition for whoever gets to 100 reading points first is going to get a very big prize. So get on Myon and check out all the cool books that you have for options and take some tests. If you have any questions, let me know about that. And this is what it'll look like once you get into AR and you start taking tests. Then you'll get little points on your flower like this. And it's really kind of cool. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Have a great week.